Hi, I'm your host Purva Kakre. Welcome to my show, My Perfect Chance interview series. A chance to be known, recognized, adored by the viewers, a right show to be at, to become a star. Please join us in welcoming Priya Jam on our show. She's a founder, owner of Sindhi Zaika, a vibrant cuisine, hidden and now time to bring it forward to all of us. Let relish Sindhi Zaika. A veteran in the food industry over 20 years, her expertise lies in form of catering services with mouth-watering Sindhi cuisine and more from around the world. Welcome Priyaji to my show. Privileged to have you over.
Same here. I'm also privileged to join your show. Thank you for inviting me for your show, dear.
Priyajam, our viewers would like to hear about your Sindhi Zaika.
Sindhi Zaika is a very regional cuisine which is originated in Sindh in Punjab, in Pakistan. The Sindh state it is in Pakistan, and I come from the Sindhi family, so I started uh, this Sindhi cuisine known as Sindhi Zaika.
As far as the food of Sindhis are concerned, it is getting more famous day by day. The dishes which they bake are unique in taste as well as with the names. The spices which they are regular and general, but the way of using different vegetables and spice are unique itself. The taste of Sindhi dishes, it's just awesome. So Priyaji, let's hear it from you a bit about Sahi Bhaji, its prepared and specialty.
Sai bhaji is a combination of palak and chane ki dal with some veggies in it. It's really good and very tasty to eat. With the end is given the tarka of chopped garlic and hing. So it really gives you a good flavor and it's tasty. And especially when you eat it with the onion brown rice, which is also makes it very unique in taste. And if you add aloo tuk with it, then nothing like it. Everything is much more better to eat than it. So when you talk about sai bhaji, it's made every day regularly, but especially when there is a marriage, when there is a chatti of the child, when there is some good occasions like Diwali and all. So we Sindhi says that you have to eat a green vegetable. So they say sawo tiwan means green vegetable.
Okay.
So that's how sai bhaji is made on regular as well as on special occasions.
Okay. We should know about Sindhis and their cuisine. So can you brief us?
Sindhi is a community which had migrated from Pakistan in the year 1947, and they all settled in different parts of India. And the Sindhi cuisine is spread all over India because we all Sindhi community people spread all over India. So the Sindhi community is all over the place. And since we have migrated, many people have even migrated to all over the world. So Sindhi cuisine is very popular even in Spain. The Spain, there is one lane where there is only Sindhis, maximum Sindhi population staying there. So even there, the Sindhi cuisine is very popular, as well as Sindhis can the Sindhi dal pakwan and the Sindhi koki, which is popular all over, is very unique, very different. Although the dal pakwan dal is very bland, it's just boiled dal. But when you have it with a pakwan, it's amazing. It's yum. And even the other dishes, the achars, the pickles, the way the Sindhi make the vegetable pickle, it's really, really amazing. Very fun to eat, very tasty. And they have got a good, they know how to cook their food well.
So which language do Sindhis speak?
Sindhi, we speak the Sindhi language.
I was impressed to see your article written about you in the cuisine on midday.com. It
Thank you.
said that
Thank you.
it
And
said create get a taste of cuisine from Balochistan. Interestingly, then read about
Yes.
the Bagnaris
Yeah.
community.
Yes.
And can you brief about the Bagnaris
Yes.
community and their cuisine?
Yes, I can brief you about the Baghdadi Cup. Balochistan is another state. It's another state in Pakistan where many Sindhis, where different communities, Sindhis are divided into 5 to 6 communities, like the Shikarpuris, the Sirakis, the Hyderabadis. So they are given different names. I come from a Siraki family, that is Seraki, Siraki. We are we speak a little different language than the Sindhis, and we our food is more of a Baluchi food, which is different, a little different from Sindhis. But when in India we call ourselves Sindhis because we are privileged by many Sindhi colleges, Sindhi hospitals, Sindhi schools, wherever Sindhi is there, and we write in our profile Sindhi, so we are given good preferences. So we because nobody knows what is Baluchistani. So we call ourselves Sindhis. It's one of a branch of Sindhis.
So you arranged a pop-up called the Forgotten Baloch after being approached by a gourmet
Yes,
food company for their kitchen dining series, where
yes.
where they discovered this vintage cuisine.
The Forgotten Baluch was about the lotus stem, the Kamal Kakri. The Sindhis, we use a lot of Kamal Kakri in most of our food. And then we use a lot of lamb meat, that is goat meat, a lot. And then we use of course, the lamb meat, the all these things we use because we used to not get enough vegetables over there in Balochistan. So this was a staple diet. The mushrooms, the lotus stem, and even the lamb meat. So basically, we Baluchis used a lot of that, and that cuisine they used to cook it in mud pots. So when you eat it from there, the taste is very different. So when I had a pop up, the Forgotten Baluch, so I had all these things kept over there, and people really relished and enjoyed the food.
So wow, Priya ji, you would do it for one of us for Purva ke
Yes,
associations.
100%. Anytime, Purva, for you.
Thanks a lot. So I saw your YouTube channel, 81 videos with such a lovely dishes. So very well explained. So some few of them which you want to be just like describe them.
I have not done 81. I have done 150 cookbook recipes, and
Okay.
a few of them which crossed million was my apple and date milkshake, which I got good reviews, good everything, good reviews, and people wanted me to make something more for them healthy, as well as my gajar ka halwa was also given too many appreciations came for that. Then even I did make the mushroom galoti kebab. Many things I've done, many, and I did specials for Diwali, Eid, Holi. I did many recipes, special recipes for occasions for that also. So if you go to my YouTube, it's I used to work for cookbook. It's not my channel. I used to work for you.
So Priya ji, tell us about 2 to 3 dishes which would you love to cook for your family and friends.
My family and friends, they love me to cook for them every time butter chicken. They love me to cook for them keema pao. They love me to cook for them fish curry rice. And they love me to cook for them sambar rice because I make very good sambar.
Wow.
Although I specialize in Sindhi, but I do a lot of different stately cooking
Wow.
also, like sambar from Goa. I do the Goan fish, the Malwani curries, the Kolhapuri dishes. I love cooking, and cooking is my love.
That's true. I saw your Sindhi Zaika menu. It was very tempting to eat. So suggest me 5 to 6 dishes which I must try.
Ha! I would again suggest you must try chef's special, that is butter chicken, and if you're a vegetarian, then paneer makhan wala is a must try. Of course, then you must try the sevia aloo. Again, it's my one of my favorites. And then you must try the dal pakwan which I make at home myself, which very rarely anybody makes. And even the bee aloo tikki, which I make, which is not there in the menu because many people don't like bee. So, but those I take on special orders. So these are the few things which are a must try from my menu.
Okay. I'm just
Yeah,
Priyaji.
yeah.
What inspires you the most?
Cooking, new recipes, new cuisines, whatever I taste. I travel a lot, so when I taste some good food over there, so I come and I experiment it here, and my guinea pigs are my children, my daughter-in-laws, my husband, and if they don't like it, so I omit it. I never cook it again. So cooking inspires me. Cooking just is, I can't stay without it.
Wow.
It's my passion. It's my love.
So the family members are your most of the inspiration code.
They are my guinea pigs. They are my critics. They are my biggest critics.
Okay.
I sometimes don't like them telling me no, this is not good. So I feel offended, but they are. Then I say, "Oh, yeah, if they don't correct me, then I will not get
Exactly.
corrected. Then
Exactly.
that becomes my ego.
So Priyaji, thank you for coming to our show.
Same here, Purva. I thank you and your team, your media team, Lara, and all you other people in your team. I thank them very much for inviting me for this show. Please, I request uh, all of them to please order to me all the food. I do home delivery all over Mumbai. Personally, please contact me for Sindhi food or any other cuisines, as well as I do very good cakes,
Okay.
gluten-free,
Yeah.
gluten-free bakery products like bread, biscuits, and other things. So please do contact me and I will deliver it to you anywhere in Mumbai. Thank you
Sure.
very much. Thank you, Purva, and thank you, Lara, once again for inviting me to for the chance for my chance to be a star.
Thank you. Now that we have, yeah, now that we have come to our end of the interview, I would like to give my warmest thanks to Priyaji for being a part of our show. So we immensely enjoyed this session. We came to know about the new cuisines. So I've give you more contacts through this platform. So special thanks to Lara and her media team for designing this show. So subscribe our YouTube channel, My Perfect Chance Interview Series by Purva K, and get chance to view more interviews of the guest speakers. It has been my pleasure being with all of you today. Thank you. Thank you, Priyaji.